In this video, I'll show you how to fix ROBLOX Error Code 524, which typically displays messages like "not authorized to join this game" or "you don't have the permission to join this experience." This error often occurs when trying to join VIP servers with restrictions set by the game owner or when attempting to join as a guest without the necessary permissions. It may also result from server issues on Roblox's end. To resolve this error, there are three methods you can try. The first method involves adjusting your privacy settings to allow friends invitations to VIP servers. Open Roblox, navigate to the settings menu by clicking on the More options on the left panel, and then go to Privacy Settings. Change the option "Who can make me a member of their private server" to "Everyone." Save your changes and request an invite from the owner of the VIP server. Once they accept, you should be able to join the game without any issues. The second method is to use the Roblox Player app instead of a web browser. Sometimes, browser-related problems can trigger error code 524, so using Roblox Player can help avoid these issues. On Windows, search for Roblox Player in the Start menu, or on Mac, find it in the Launchpad. Once the app is open, search for the game and join it directly from Roblox Player. If neither of this method works, the third and final option is to restart your device or reinstall Roblox. Restarting your device can fix the error by resetting any software or drivers that may be causing the problem. If that doesn't solve the issue, try reinstalling Roblox to get a fresh start. Hopefully, one of the solutions will help you resolve the issue. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.